Think you've seen it all? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is about to change your mind. Hold on to your screens because Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max is finally here. Let's dive in. First up, that display. We're talking a 6.9-inch Ultra Retina XDR screen, brighter, smoother, almost edge to edge. Images? Gotta see them to believe them. Flip it over. Here's the head turner, the all-new quad-lens camera. 200-megapixel main sensor, insane night mode, 30x optical zoom. So yeah, your photos just leveled up, big time. Performance off the charts. The new A19 Bionic chip makes this phone the fastest iPhone ever. Multitask, game, edit videos, this thing doesn't break a sweat. Battery life? We're talking 2 days on a single charge, and with MagSafe Ultra you'll be juiced up in minutes, not hours. Design-wise, it's pure eye candy aerospace titanium, ceramic shield, new color options, including that wild midnight aurora finish. And let's not forget, iOS 19 brings new AI Smarts live translation in calls, smarter Siri, and even AI-generated wallpapers. So, should you upgrade? If you want the best camera, fastest chip, and a look that turns heads, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is calling your name. Ready to see more? Hit subscribe and join us for the full deep dive. Apple's just set the bar, again.